Hi, I'm Christina Williams from my craft channel, and today I have a quick tip for you. I'm going to show you how to turn regular tissue paper into a washi tape product that you can use on all kinds of different crafts or projects that you're working on. Here you'll see that I've decorated this cute birthday cake with some bunting, and that's very easy to do with just your twine and some of these tissue paper washi tape strips that I'll show you how to create. Using your Xyron Creative Station, all you need to do is trim a piece of tissue paper down into a square or rectangle that will fit through the opening. You're going to push it into the machine and advance it through very easily and quickly, and then use the attached trimmer to cut that off. Okay, now we will peel the backing from the film on the front. Now you just take your straight-handled scissors and trim down whatever width you'd like. I'm going to show you how to create a gift tag that coordinates with the gift bag that we have here. All you need to do is peel off your tissue paper in the length that you'd like and tear it just like washi tape. Now this lays down onto the gift tag, and using a pen I will add a very simple wick and flame and a little squiggly line underneath it just to coordinate. Now this ties onto the handle very easily, creating a coordinated gift tag and bag. You're ready to go off to your party. Now, all you need to do is go down to your stash of tissue paper and see what you can come up with.